Hello, hello. Yeah, fine. So we had started with linear equation. We had done some questions. I asked to watch some videos that you did. Huh? Something you have done. Because today we'll be starting with the PYQs. Okay. Almost 1 week have been given to you. 2, 3 videos were there. Okay. So, oh, you don't know about it. Okay. So there is you have access to this batch CSAT on the portal. Okay, offline only. So you see there is a channel of Legacy IAS. Here you will find videos. So there is first one is how to solve differential equation. This anyway you know. Then the other two are formulation of differential equations. How to formulate differential equation, part 1 and part 2. Those two you can see. Okay. There's nothing new in them. It's just formulation of differential equation. So I have taken 4, 5, 4, 5 more questions. That's it. Assignment. Assignment you have to do at your home. No, not submit. Not submit. If you have any doubts, then you can ask. सबमिट करवाने लगे क्या? हाँ. See, Rakesh and Rajesh together bought 10 balls and 10 rackets. Rakesh spent 1300 rupees. Rajesh spent 1500 rupees. Only one hint that I can give you. You take this as total money and this as total products that they are buying. Now, their different money does not matter. Okay, they are like husband wife. As a couple, they are buying something. Okay, so now you are only thinking of how much they are spending and what they are getting for it. So just add there whatever they are spending and then try to do. फिर बैग में आ जाता है सब. Yeah. This is together what now? So 10x plus 10y. Put some of them only. Yeah.
18. 2008.
Yeah. Start solving, huh? Leave space for the question. Yes. So this is 10 rows, this 10 brackets is equals to 2800.
Then have a ball into 3
See, it says if each racket costs 3 times as much as each ball. So what you have taken x is y, x and y. Cost of ball and racket. So write an equation with respect to that.
X.
No, that is done. The other equation. If each racket, yeah. Think about it slowly, then you'll understand. If each racket costs 3 times as much as a ball. Yes. It says that Rakesh and Rajesh together bought 10 balls and 10 rackets. Rakesh spent this much, Rajesh spent this much. If each racket costs 3 times as much as the ball, then first thing, what is the price of a racket? Now, what is the price of a racket? So very clearly, there are two variables here. Correct? Price of a ball, price of a racket. This you see, correct? Now, Ultimately, price of racket is asked. That means your two variables that you should take is price of racket, let it be R, and price of ball, let it be B. Okay, try to take it with the initials. X, Y, every time you have to assume, then you have to write, then you have to, when you are getting to the answer, then you have to think again. Ki X kya tha, Y kya tha. So don't take it like that. Just take the first letters. Racket is R and ball is B. And then start solving. Okay, so now this is the first part where we try to assign variables to what is asked. Now, yeah, but you know that in linear equation you have two variables. Here you can read the question and you can get this, that there are balls and rackets. So ultimately in linear equation, if you have to find X or Y, you're essentially solving the linear equation. That is, you're getting both the values. No, when you solve 3x plus 4y is equals to 8 and x plus 3y is equals to 4, then you are essentially, if I have to find y, then I essentially find x also. Correct? Because this is linear equation. So both gets found out together in the same way. So that's why if one of them is asked and there are two such variables, those becomes your variable and you start. So now let's try to find the two equations. So Rakesh and Rajesh bought 10 balls and 10 rackets. So 10 balls का cost क्या होगा? One ball cost B, 10 balls cost 10 into B, 10B plus and means plus 10 rackets. So 10 rackets. Correct. Now this they have bought together. Rakesh spent 1300 and Rajesh spent 1500. So together, how much money have they spent? 1300 plus 1500. And so they have together spent 28. This is fine. Now it says if each racket, this is the first equation. Now if each racket costs 3 times as much as a ball, so that means each racket costs how much? 3 times as much as each ball. These are your two equations. Now you have to do what? If an equation is like this, then what I have told you, if it is direct relation, you do substitution. Okay, if it was a long equation like this, then you use elimination. So R is equals to 3B. You can put here and get the values. So R is equals to 3B. So put here. So 10B plus 10 into 3B is equals to 2800. Ultimately, what you get? 10B plus 30B. That is sum total 40B is equals to 2800. How many times this will go? 0, 0 cancel. 1 time, 7 times 0. So ultimately what you get, ball is equals to 70. That means 70 rupees ki ball hai. Ball is of 70 rupees. Then racket would be of 3 times that of ball. So that means racket that was equals to 3 times ball. That will be 3 into 70. That is 216. Then It says what is the weight of the empty vessel. That means this is like that old like iron buckets you used to have now, that had a lot of weight on its own also, and then water weight. So you can assume variables. I will just tell you the variables that you can assume. Assume that empty vessel or just the weight of the vessel that you buy from the market is V for the vessel, and if it is completely filled, let's say it's a 12-liter bucket, when it is completely filled, how much water it carries, that you can take as W. This is empty vessel. These are your two variables. Then try to write the two equations. Okay. I don't think so. 10 kg. 1/3 filled. So 10 and 10%. Yes. This is 40 kg full of water now. So vessel plus W only. The next one is 1/3 filled.
Vessel plus W. W is
Read the
of water.
So in full of water, there will be weight of vessel also, and then water also. So both you have to take. Okay. We do something now. Keep doing something. See, so a vessel full of water weighs 40 kg. That means whatever is the weight of vessel is, let's say V plus weight, the entire filled water is W. So V plus W is equals to 40 kgs. No. There is a vessel, empty vessel V, filled vessel is W. So now it is saying the vessel full of water is weighing 40 kgs. So this is the vessel plus full of water 40 kg. Next will be if it is 1/3 filled, it becomes 20 kg. So vessel is V, 1/3 kg means is equals to, yeah, these are the questions. Yeah, good.
Let's start.
Yeah, this is correct. Now, why you are doing all this? Just simply multiply this entire thing by 3. Yeah, so nice to remove this now. This is by 3. Then it becomes a simple equation 3V plus W plus 60. That is easier to solve, no? Is equals to 60. Yeah, multiplied by 3. What is this?
1/3 of.
No, but vessel also has a weight, no? So vessel weight you have ignored. बस अब सॉल्व करो उसको, ये इक्वेशन सॉल्व कर लोगे. What are you getting? Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Yes. What you got?
30.
30. This is X, no? This is W. But and what it is asking you?
50 days.
Yeah, but you have found it correct. Yeah, good. Now, if you see this, a vessel full of water weighs 40 kg. That means vessel full of water. So this is vessel and it is completely filled with water. So this completely filled water I have taken as W, empty vessel I have taken as V. So V plus W is equals to 40. Then other one is, now always there are two scenarios that are given to you. So once you do this, forget this. What some people are doing, they're still taking this variable 40 something something. Nothing. This is done. A vessel full of water weighs 40 kg. This is the first equation. Then forget this. Now second, see, it starts with if. If it is 1/3 filled, its weight becomes 20 kg. So 1/3 filled vessel though, vessel will still have the same weight. Correct. So V is still the same. What changes is this filled water was W. So this 1/3 filled becomes W by 3. So V plus W by 3 is equals to 20. Then what you can do, you can multiply this whole equation by 3. So that it becomes 3V plus W is equals to 60 and V plus W is equals to. Okay. Now just subtract the two equations. Why? Because I want to eliminate W. I only want V. So subtract W cancel. 3V, V minus 3V minus 2V, and this is 20 minus 60, that is minus 20. Minus minus cancel. V is equals to 20 by 2, that is 10. That's all. Just write the solution fast, then we move forward. Then It says Jay and Vijay spent an equal amount of money. That means expenditure is same. Equal amount of money. Okay. Now, to buy some pens and some special pencils of same quality, same store, everything. Now, read the first statement. Ultimately, what you have to find which of them is correct. So, some relation is being asked. So, if Jay bought 3 pens and 5 pencils, expenditure is same. So, let's say both of them spend E rupees. Some E rupees they both spend. Now, I'm writing for Jay. Now, how much Jay has spent? If you see, if I take pen as P and let's say pen I take X and pencil I take Y. Fine. Okay, let me take this. Pens is P, pencils is L. Does not matter. So I've taken P and L. Then price of one pen is P, price of one pencil is L. Now, how much Jay spent? Jay spent 3 pens and 5 pencils. 3P plus 5L. This you understand? Correct. Now, the other person, Vijay. Vijay also made expenditure of E rupees only. How much did he spend? He spent on 2 pens and 7 pencils. That means 2P plus 7. Now, first line of the question, they spent equal amount of money. So I equate them both. And then find the relation between cost of one pen and one pencil. So I equate them both. It becomes 3P plus 5L is equals to 2P plus 7L. Then I send P here. So it becomes P is equals to 7L minus 5L. That is 2L. The price of one pen is equals to 2 times price of pencil. Answer C. The price of a pen is 2 times the price of a pencil. Okay. Just write the solution quickly. Move. Then yeah, that is T. Yeah. See how you have to do this. So it says for a charity show, the total tickets sold were 420. Now you keep dividing it according to what is given in the question. So it says half of these tickets were sold at 5 rupees each. So half of this. Now total tickets are 420. What is half of it? Half क्या होगा? 210 tickets. Now these 210 tickets are sold at what price? At 5 rupees. So this into 5, that is 1050. This is the amount of money that whoever is selling the ticket will get by selling 5 rupee tickets. Correct? So 210 tickets are there, 5 rupees. Eventually he'll have this much money. Then next part. So next is 1/3 at the rate of 3 rupees each. So 1/3. 1/3 of 420 is what? 140. So 140 at price of 3 rupees each. What is the total money? 420. Then next it says, and the rest for 2 rupees. And the rest for 2 rupees. What is remaining? 210 plus 410, 140, 350 is done. How much is left? 70 tickets are left. 70 tickets are sold at 2 rupees. So what you get? 140. You add them all together, you get 1610. This is the total amount of money that he will make. Quick, just the solution. This PDFs and all you will get. Then total information. No, same thing. Okay. It is asking you the number of 1 rupees and 2 rupees coins. These are your variables. Okay. X and Y.
It's 50.
Huh.
How many?
The 50 coins are divided between 1 and 2. So x is the number of 1 rupee coin, y is rupee 2 rupee coin. So x plus y is equals to 50. X plus 2y. No, see, this is the total number of coins. Okay, you may have 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin. If I ask you how many coins do you have, so you'll just count the coins. This is simply x plus y is equals to 50. The other part is about the amount of money. So that will be this. This is the number of 1 rupee coins and 2 rupee coins. So this is x, this is y. Yeah, so total number of coins कितने होंगे? X plus y. That will be total number of coins. And total amount of money when you are calculating, then you have to take x plus 2y. Because each y coin is of 2 rupees. Yeah, sure. Is total number of coins, no? So this will be, I'm just in the first statement, they're only telling you, yeah, okay, how many coins do they have? So 1 rupee coin, the 2 rupee coin does not matter. Simply x plus y. This becomes x plus y is equals to 50. This becomes x plus 2y is equals to 75. Then you are solving correctly. Yes. X plus y is equals to 15. X plus 2y is equals to, yeah, correct. अरे ये इतना ये सब कहाँ हो जाता है? Simply this is x. Just minus them. You'll get the value of y. Um, yeah. Yes, good. Yes, it's so inside. Good. Correct. Yeah. So two equations. Most people are somehow getting to it. So basically, number of 1 rupee coins be x, number of 2 rupee coins dy. Then first thing is total number of coins is given to you. How many coins do you have? 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee does not matter. Simply total number of coins is 50. That means x plus y is equals to 50. The second one is about value. The amount of money with her is 75. So 1 rupee coin, how much is the value? 1 only. So simply you can write x plus 2 rupee coin, each has value 2. So that you have to write x plus 2y is equals to 70. Also logically, if you see x plus y was 50, then here x plus 2y becomes 75. This is number of coins now. This is number of coins. This one is value of coins. Okay, now you have to solve both of these equations. Simply subtract them. You will get minus y is equals to minus 25. X and x cancel. Minus minus cancel. Y is equals to 25. If y is 25, you put here. X is also 20. Answer becomes 25, 20. Fine. And do this simple additions then. One way is just directly adding. एकदम चालू हो जाओ. The other way can be using concepts of large digits and all. See if you can do. Here you don't have to solve anything, just adding. See, see तो नहीं. See, one way is कि एकदम चालू हो जाओ. Okay, without thinking much in life, just start. X weeks. Ultimately, it is asking you how many seconds. So let's take this X week till the point it reaches second. So X weeks. Okay, then in these X week, each week will have 7 days. Each day will have 24 hours. Each hour will have 60 minutes. Each minute will have 60 seconds. This is the total number for X weeks. Now, next. X days. X days will be X into. Now, each day has 24 hours and each hour 60 minutes and each minute 60 seconds. Next is X hours. So x hours is x into, now each hour will have 60 minutes, each minute will have 60 seconds. Then next is x minutes. X minutes is x into each minute has 60 seconds. X seconds. This is only correct. This is fine. Now, now, now see, I have to add all of them to get to the answer. So one thing is, I just get an approximate value, then add, and then get to it. Other way, a better way is to focus on first the last digit and the second last digit. Now see, what will be the last digit of all of them? See, this just tell me the last digits, okay? So here I am writing the last digits, and here I will write second last digit. What is the last digit here? 0. Second last digit also 0. You can see two zeros already. Here also 0, 0. Here also 0, 0. Because two zeros are there. Now here, what is the last digit? 0. But second last digit. You see, x will be common. Ultimately, in all options also you are getting x. X does not matter. What else you have? You have 6. So second last digit is 6.
We should see second last digit.
Yeah. Yeah.
That, that you have taken 0, 0 on different numbers, but here you have taken.
See, this is 60, no? 60's last digit is, second last digit is, so that only. In first also, because there are two zeros, no? If you multiply it, the number will be, yeah. Okay, then, so this is 0 and 6. Last one will be, see, last digit for this one, it will be 1. Second last digit, not there. You want, you can take 0, does not matter. Okay, so that means eventually, if you see, the last digit comes out to be 1, and the second last digit will come out to be 6. Understood? ये थोड़ा ऐसे लिखना था, second last digit and last digit. So basically, the last two digits will be like this. This is the last digit, and this is the second last digit. That means at last you should have 61. D becomes here. Okay, and it's not that ये कोई trick बता दिया. This is not a trick. Basically, they frame questions in such a way that you always are able to solve them using last digit and second last digit. They don't want you to do all this multiplication. So UPSC always frames a question in this way. So always be careful if there is many multiplication. Just think in terms of last digit, second last digit. They frame options such that you get to the answer. Otherwise, इसमें क्या है, अभी अभी 8 3 4 8 6 1 डाल देता, फिर क्या करते हैं? But they won't give options like this. So this is not some trick to get to anywhere. This is just the way they frame options. Okay. What's your name? Bhanu. In learning library, you will find that by the name of linear equation basics. There also. There. Huh? Yeah, that's ICSE NCRT class 8 9. Okay. Study table. Which PDF? PDF you're talking about? No, no, not library. Learning library online thing. On the portal is the thing. Okay, that's it. Please watch the lectures, everyone. Those 3 videos, if you have not watched, please watch it. The next class will be little, like, it will go little above a view. If you, okay. So basically, please do them, so that, because if you are still figuring out what variables to take, how to write equation, these are 2 equation or 1 equation, so that all shouldn't be your problem. Okay, that's it. Thank you.